Welcome to SiteMaker. Today I will show you how to save a lot of time creating citations and a reference list for your next assignment. First, you will need to select a referencing style. You do this by clicking on one of the Style buttons in the left-hand menu. For today's tutorial, I will be choosing APA 7th edition. With SiteMaker, you can create citations automatically or manually. To generate an automatic citation, click one of the source types at the top of the left-hand menu panel. I will be creating a citation for a website. When you click on your preferred source type, a panel opens for you to either type or paste your source information into the search field. Then click the search button. A citation will automatically be generated for you to copy, edit, or save. It is also easy to manually create citations with SiteMaker. First, click on one of the source groups in the left-hand menu. I am choosing Creative. A submenu will then appear for you to select your source type. I will click Performance. A form will then appear for you to enter information into the source fields. To save your citation, click the Save button. As you type text into the form, your punctuated citation appears in the center preview panel. SiteMaker automatically also generates in-text references. Now it's time to export or store your reference list for later retrieval. When you click the Save button at the foot of the form, your citation is moved to under the References heading. You can then export your citation to one of a number of formats or repeat the process to create a reference list. Thank you for learning how to create, save, and export citations using SiteMaker.